Hi. When people look at MBA, people focus on IIMs, but there are non-IIMs also which are very, very good. I mean, on par with the top IIMs. So let's look at some of the best non-IIM B schools in India and what their placements are. ISB is supposed to be on par almost with regards to ABC. So if you look at ISB, XLR, FMS, these are supposed to be among the top 5-6 colleges in India. So along with ABC, you can rate ISB, XLR, FMS among on par with them. So ISB has an average package of 33.26, FMS 34.1. XLR is slightly low because the Delhi and Jamshedpur campuses combined for placements. Otherwise, their placements are also 30 plus. I mean, good placements as such. Continuing with it, then you have SPJMR, 33 lakhs per annum, which is also Bombay, which is very good. Then you have among the other colleges, which are among the top is Bajaj in Bombay, IIT Bombay, IIFT Delhi has got good placements. MDI Gurgaon, 25.5. Is it this college? This is for HR. So the best college for HR is XLRI. Okay. The second best college for HR will be this. So they were very small pack and they get amazing placements. So yes, I mean it's worth applying to it. Very few seats, but SIBM Pune 28, NMAT ID Delhi. So these are other colleges which are there. So these are all colleges with the average package of more than 25 lakhs per annum. Good placements and worth applying. So if you're looking at a non-IIM institute, you can look at these institutes. You'll have to apply it separately. Most of them take CAT as the exam. ISB takes mainly GMAT. They also take CAT to some extent. XLR takes ZAT as the examination. Others FMS CAT, SPJMR CAT, IIT Bombay CAT, IIFT CAT, MDI CAT. This also takes up CAT and IT Delhi CAT. For rest, Bajaj has a CET exam in Maharashtra. SIBM Pune has NAP exam and NMIM has NMAT examination. Yes, so these are some of the top non-IIM institutes. If you're looking at applying to non-IIM institute, these are some of the good colleges to apply to. Right. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to more information regarding MBA and MBA entrance exams. Thank you.